Morning and welcome to RAPS Metro Institute of Culinary Arts demo. These are demo classes meant for all the hotel management prospective students. Okay, good day again. As I said, we enduring today uh, preparing you for a good interview session. This is the reason for today's lecture or class. Um, we'll wait for 2 more minutes for people to join. Meanwhile, the few things which I want you to know is how to appear for an interview. This is the topic for today. And to appear for the interview, the most important thing is you should be doing the things right. Okay. And in doing things right, what exactly are doing things right? Let's understand how a basic interview works. Okay. We have a couple of students from our college whom we have not trained. In fact, we just called them today to appear for the interview. And they will be coming now and doing an interview for themselves in front of me. We have 2 interview sessions for you, which we have planned. And then we will also tell you how you should face an interview panel, what all are things right for you to do, and what are things you should improve on. Life is an improvement journey. I want you to improve daily. Unless you improve, things will not change for you. Okay, let's now. We have ideally when an interview happens, um, ideally when an interview happens, what happens is the panel is sitting here. That the panel which will be sitting here, 2 or 3 people will be sitting here. He is the interviewer. He's coming now. Normally the doors are closed, so I expect him to knock and enter. Okay, see the knock. Come in, come. He's knocked 3 times, which is best. I have not asked him to do it, but I want you to remember this. Whenever you enter an interview, you knock not once, but 3 times. Okay? But slowly, tap, tap, tap. That's the slow. Come in. What's your name? This guy. Have a seat. Okay. Okay, good morning, Pradeep. We are recording this session. I'm sure you're aware. We told you that we are recording this session. This is a demo interview. So you come for it. Can I have your biodata? Always remember, no, please remember this. He's got a biodata like this. I would have appreciated if he could have put it in a folder. Either one of these folders. A lot of folders which are available. No, I would say to put it in a folder like this. Okay. And a good biodata wherein your photo is there. If you have a photo, see this. You have a photo attached. So you need to have a attached and probably in a folder. फोल्डर पे डाल के आपको लेके आना है। तो एक फोटो या फिर फोटो के साथ लोगों को फोटो के साथ रहेगा तो बहुत बढ़िया। This is a biota which is okay. Good morning. Tell me about yourself. The first question always remember. Okay.
राजेश सर
is
एक
to
माइक
break
म्यूट
the
करो
ice.
सर।
The ice. हम पहला जब इंटरव्यू चालू करते हैं ना तो करते हैं।
हेलो
वॉइस रोबोटिक आ रही है।
सर
यानी I want to
राजेश
हेलो
सर।
राजेश सर
Yes.
हेलो।
एक माइक म्यूट करो ना, एक जो माइक है ना ऊपर जो रखा है वो म्यूट कर दो, मतलब डबल आवाज नहीं आएगा।
Yes.
ऊपर का जो कैमरा रखा है ना आपने उसका माइक म्यूट कर
आवाज
दो बस।
डबल हो रहा है एक मिनट। Okay. Good. You spoke to me that one. Huh? Is it okay now?
Yes.
Is it okay?
यस यस
Somebody say Dalo. See, there are reactions which are given. Yes. Now you can hear me better. I presume so. Good. Okay. So yeah. So the first question is always an icebreaker. Icebreaker यानी आपको आप आते हो तो you see a person तो आप डर जाते हो, right? Okay. So he is scared now. So look there. So he's scared now. Okay. So the first question is always icebreaker. Many times. So जैसे मैं पूछता हूँ कि how did you come here? How did you travel? Okay, आपको याद रखना है, आप ट्रैवल करके आए हो तो आपको याद रहेगा ना, तो आप लोग बोलते हैं हाँ मैं बस से आया या मैं ट्रेन से आया। So no, my first question to you. So good morning, Ravish. So how did you travel here? He came by auto. Okay, that's what he said. Now please remember, sir, rickshaw. One word. This mistake. Answer should never be one word. Answer should be, like in this case, thanks for asking. Yes, I came by auto till here. Okay, जो मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा है उसी को आंसर, थैंक्स फॉर आस्किंग, आई केम बाय ऑटो टिल हियर, कैसे बोलोगे?
Thanks for asking. I came from Port.
आई केम बाय ऑटो। ओके, सो क्या होता है देखिए, एक याद रखिए, when you are uncomfortable because आपका language skill may not be right. Okay, in many a times language skills are not right. Like when I say language means you are not able to speak. Maybe you should speak sit here. You are not able to speak the language. English थोड़ा सा आपको ना डर लगता है। अब इंटरव्यूज नॉर्मली होते हैं इंग्लिश में। ओके, हॉस्पिटैलिटी में जितने भी इंटरव्यूज होते हैं, remember this, they happen in English. So no, as I said,
I am come through auto.
I came by. जोर से बोल, यहाँ पे रिकॉर्डिंग है ना।
Thank you for asking, sir.
Yeah.
I came by auto.
Thanks for coming. So where all you have worked? Which all places have you worked? Okay. Now this happens when people आपको जो इंटरव्यू मिलाता है, आप जो लिखते हैं पेपर में, वो आपको याद रहना चाहिए। मैं कहाँ पे काम किया, सर मैं यहाँ पे काम कर रहा हूँ, और नो मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है वो आंसर डायरेक्ट करना है। So this is an interview when I am asking him, मैंने आपने कहाँ काम किया है, तो जिस बंदे ने काम किया उसको तो मालूम होना चाहिए कि कहाँ पे काम किया है। यहाँ पे आप रुक जाओगे ना, थोड़ा सा एक चैलेंज हो जाता है, लोग बोलेंगे बात कर पा रहा है कि नहीं, क्योंकि जब इंटरव्यू जैसे मैं बैठा हूँ तो मुझे 5 मिनट के अंदर, विदिन 5 मिनट्स इनको देखना है कि डज इट फिट इनटू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और नॉट। अल्टीमेटली जॉब मुझे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो एक ढांचा रहता है जहाँ लोग काम कर रहे हैं, एग्जिस्टिंग पीपल, इसलिए फिट हुआ है। उसको भले ही काम अच्छा लगता हो, लेकिन it should be fitting into the organization. That is most important. So where have you worked before? बोलो कहाँ पे काम किया आपने?
मैंने इससे पहले काम नहीं किया।
So he is saying that he has not worked. He is a fresher. Okay, very good. आपका एजुकेशन क्या क्या किया है आपने?
10th ईयर, 12th का ITI से किया मैंने।
Okay, he is
10th कंप्लीट किया है और 11th 12th ITI से किया।
11th 12th ITI से उन्होंने किया है, 10th कंप्लीट किया है। See, जो आपको याद आता है ना उसका उसमें आपका कॉन्फिडेंस ज़्यादा रहता है। Okay, इतना याद रखो कि अगर you try to fake it at the interview, you will fail. Okay, thank you very much for coming for the interview. Can you wait outside?
Yes.
Take this. Wait. खुला रखो, खुला ही रखो, खुला रखो. Pull it. Wi-Fi है चाहिए. Okay, now guys, please understand here. One minute. Okay. Now, please understand here. What happens is, यहाँ पे when you do the few things are very important in an interview. First and foremost, be properly dressed for the interview. If possible, wear a tie. Okay. और I have seen a lot of people who ऐसे रख के जाते हैं और tie इधर रहता है. Okay, which is not good. If you are going for आप interview पे जाते हैं ना, तो tie ये बटन इसको बंद करके करना है. Wear a no shirt which is comfortable और जिसमें बटन आप पर आपका tie आना चाहिए. Okay, I have a tie. I am not going to wear it at this point of time because the weather is hot outside and then I might sweat. So, but I will suggest you that even if the weather is hot outside, do not wear घर से tie पहन के मत जाओ. उसको रखो क्योंकि यहाँ पे sweat आता है, वो बहुत गंदा दिखता है. So वहाँ जाके 5 मिनट पहले you need to freshen up. I always see to जहाँ पे इंटरव्यू पे जाता हूँ, जहाँ मैं गया था, मैं वहाँ पे फर्स्ट पहले जाके I freshen up मैं वॉशरूम जाके आता हूँ, पानी पीता हूँ, मुंह पे रखता हूँ. I always reach 15 minutes earlier. Okay, please remember, most of the interviewer will want you to reach on time. अगर आप लेट हो गए हो तो वहीं पे आपका 10 to 15% काम, almost 25% काम खराब हो जाता है. अगर even if you have a good candidature and you fit 100%. ये इसलिए कि जिस आदमी को टाइम का महत्व नहीं है उसको probably you may not want to take it. वो पहले दिन से ये लेट आना चालू करेगा. Okay, when you go into organization, 9 o'clock means 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock doesn't mean 9:30. 9 o'clock means 9 o'clock. Start early. If you think कि बनो कुछ प्रॉब्लम होना है फर्स्ट डे, तो आपको 1-1.5 घंटा जो भी है आपको to think that you will need half an hour for traveling, start 1 hour earlier. There's no problem. अगर जहाँ पे आप इंटरव्यू को जाते हो वहाँ पे आप जाके बैठोगे, in fact you will understand more about the place. You don't have to go enter inside. अगर उसने 9:40 को बोला है enter आपको आना है तो 5 minutes 10 minutes earlier you can go into the place where you have to have interview. You need to carry a biodata or a CV curriculum vitae or a biodata or a है. ओके, ये सब आपको रेडी करके आपके हाथ में रखना है. मुझे इंटरव्यू को बुलाया है इस एंड मे बी यू मस्ट हैव सेंट अ डिजिटल कॉपी टू देम. ओके, आपने पहले ही भेजा है उनको जिसमें आपने उस पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन भेजा है और उन्होंने आपको शायद बुलाया इंटरव्यू को. डोंट प्रिज्यूम दे हैव प्रिंटेड योर biodata. Hopefully they have printed your biodata. Okay, I've kept it. But it is always better that you carry a copy of yourself. Or secondly, जैसे ही before the interview, read again your biodata. आपने ही बनाया है लेकिन read करो. Biodata should not be more than one freshers case जो जिसके पास ज़्यादा लिखने के लिए नहीं है, उनके लिए 1 page only front biodata. Biodata में आपका फोटो रहेगा, एड्रेस रहेगा, community, telephone number, and nowadays WhatsApp. Okay, if your WhatsApp number is separate, please mention, because a lot of people send information on WhatsApp. These three are in your contact details. Okay. Also remember, contact details जब आप लिखते हो, to see to it that you are checking those contact details like email IDs. If you're not checking that email ID, then it is not not a right फायदा क्या उसका. So I have in my interview मैंने देखा काफी लोगों को फोन नंबर्स लिखते हैं और फोन नंबर वो किसी और का रहता है या उन्होंने बंद कर दिया फोन नंबर. हाउ विल अ इंटरव्यूअर गेट इन टच? सो आपको चेक करना है कि ऑल द डिटेल्स व्हिच यू हैव मेंशनड आर राइट on the biodata. See, please understand, people call you because of your biodata. So the biodata has to be properly done. इसमें ज़्यादा लिखना नहीं है. And I have seen many people who have low 10 साल में अगर उनके पास 12-13 जगह का काम किया है, that doesn't mean you have to write everything. Last 2 or 3 places where you worked, उसके बारे में आपको थोड़ा ब्रीफ देना है. उसके पहले आपने कहाँ पे काम किया है, from and to लिखना है, and position. That's it. Okay. जैसे I again here, please remember, you need to start in the chronological order. Chronological means you are will be always on top. The biggest mistake people do is they start first में यहाँ पे काम किया, उसके बाद यहाँ पे काटते, और जो presently काम किया है वो एकदम end में रहता है. This is no. You need to put your present work on the top. Okay, the present work has to be on the top. उसके बाद में आप उसके पहले कहाँ काम करते थे और उसके पहले 2 या आपने जो काम किया उसका ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन देना है, 2 या 3 सेंटेंस में कि आपने काम क्या किया. सेम रिपीटेटिव हो जाता है इसलिए नहीं. और उसके पहले अगर आपने काम किया है तो places from and to यानी क्या होता है, which place you work. So the place, अभी now if I say I was working in hotel Taj Mahal from 2009 to February 2020. Do you know where the Taj Mahal? आप मैंने सब लिखा है, January 2009 to February 2020. Okay, 10 साल मैंने काम किया. But Taj Mahal लिखा है, वो भी बराबर. But where is this Taj Mahal? When? Which place? Taj Mahal Mumbai, Taj Mahal Goa, Taj Goa. Nobody knows. So please, कौन सी जगह पे आपको लिखना है? ताज गोवा, ताज मुंबई. अगर उसका नाम है, now you have 3 Taj in Mumbai, okay, airport, which is then at Bandra, and so आपको उसके आगे लिखना है. Okay, Taj this so and so. The basic place where you work is important. From and to is important, and third thing is आपका position. Okay, right? आप क्या करते थे, what you have done, and second thing is your achievements. Please remember, lot of people fail. एक achievement करके छोटा सा रखना, achievement. Okay, I got best employee of the month. This makes a lot of difference. Okay, this is for the people who have experience. Now, जिसके पास experience नहीं है वो क्या करेगा? Okay, please remember, जिसके पास experience नहीं है वो भी वही लिखेगा जो. You must be done training. If you're not done training also, what you have achieved in college, what you have achieved in training. I achieved highest percentage of marks in culinary, or I was 100% attendant student in the college. मैंने एक भी कॉलेज बंक नहीं किया. आपको लिखना है अचीवमेंट. ये probably achievement, you may have not got a certificate for it, but as soon as you write, people, he has taken extra effort to do something to improve himself. Okay, this is most important. जैसे मैंने बताया है, freshers write something कि what is or your favorite area of place कि मैं मैं kitchen practical I was always considered a good student in kitchen practical, or in F&B I was also always considered a good student in F&B, and my marks or my practical were over and above. This is your achievement for people who are freshers. For those people जो freshers नहीं हैं, आप कहाँ पे क्या-क्या achievement किया है? Now I see some places you may have worked for 2 or 3 months. You don't have to 2-3 महीना में आप क्या achieve करोगे? Okay, I understand. So don't mention it. But then you can mention your strength areas. Please remember, if you have strength areas, mention your strength areas. Strength. Remember, you strength, weakness, opportunity, strength, SWOT. उसमें आपके strength areas are important because you get job because of your strength area. यानी आप काम क्या करते हो उसके ऊपर जो strength area है उसको आपको job मिलता है. Okay. Now that was regarding your biodata. I have spoken in brief about your tools of trade आपका biodata. Okay, here people, no, I want you to tell you that no, I have written. I'm sure आपको okay this. This is the book I have written. Maybe you may not be able to see it. 1 minute. ये मैं उसको वीडियो फिल्टर चेंज करता हूँ.
Belapur demo class.
1 minute. So this is the book which I have written. Get hashtag get hired. Okay. Hashtag get hired. You will not come. And this is my name. Okay. Rajesh Daktare. So आपको दिखेगा नहीं because ये virtual screen है. Virtual screen में क्या होता है? Virtual screen. Again, I want to tell you about क्या होता है? A person movement जो होता है ना, वो दिखता है. All of you know when you do अभी आजकल most of the interviews are happening in Zoom. So in Zoom, few things are very important for you. Okay, आप जब इंटरव्यू करते हो like see the people around you. क्या होता है आपके पीछे जो मूवमेंट होता है ना, that movement क्या आप चलते रहता है और मे बी घर पे बैठे हो और सीन बराबर नहीं है, इसलिए आपको क्या करना है, यू नीड टू पुट अ वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड. जूम में आप जाओगे तो एक वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड रहता है, वो चूज करो. जैसे आपको दिख रहा है मेरा वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड हियर, एंड व्हेन आई द अदर प्लेस. नाउ 1 मिनट. ओके, तो इसको मैंने अभी स्पॉटलाइट किया है. सो इन दिस देयर इज नो बैकग्राउंड. In this background, you can see this is a book I have written. Hashtag Rajesh Daktare. It is available on Amazon. I know 150 rupees का book है, and I have written everything what you need to be prepared for the interview. Now यहाँ पे मैंने background नहीं लगाया, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा जब मैं इसको पिन करता हूँ तो आपको पीछे का पूरा movement दिखता है. And यानी ये जो है मेरे पीछे जो movement हो रहा है ना, that will capture your attendance. So what you can do is you need to have a virtual background so that आपके पीछे जो movement हो रहा है ना, वो movement आपको सामने वाले the person who is interviewing उसको दिखेगा नहीं. Are you able to see me and hear me properly? Please put a reaction.
Yes.
Okay, great. So no, so far it's going right. Okay, no problem. The reason I'm asking it sometimes because since I have 2 videos here, I am pinning myself और यहाँ recording किसी और जगह पे, because अगर मैं दोनों चालू recording करूँगा तो double voice आ रहा है, तो इसलिए मैंने एक पे mute किया है और एक पे record हो रहा है.
ओके एनीवे रिकॉर्डिंग वहां पे हो रहा है, म्यूट यहाँ पे और वीडियो यहाँ से दिख रहा है. सो देयर आर टू व्हिच इज हैपनिंग एनीवे. So you have understood about virtual background. This virtual background only 7 to 8 3 I think 3 मीटर. अभी जैसे मैं पीछे जाऊंगा ना, मेरा you may not be able to see me क्योंकि उतना पीछे जितना जाऊंगा उतना वो लेता नहीं. Okay, so if I am standing here and if I go जितना पीछे जाऊंगा it may not pick. Okay, it depends. Sometimes it doesn't pick also 5-6. So जो movement है, okay, वही pick करता है. जैसे you will be surprised. This is a technology करनी है. As soon as and put a new good background, half the job you will get immediately. अगर आपका background अच्छा है और आपका maybe you could write on the background जैसा मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है RAPS Metro Institute of Culinary Arts, RAPS Metro. Maybe you could put in the background your name and your telephone number or your email ID. Okay, Rajesh R. Rathode, email ID so also. It becomes, array, this guy is interested क्योंकि आज face to face हो नहीं रहे. What they are happening? All are on Zoom or WhatsApp or Skype, or the fourth thing is Google Meet or Team Meet. In Team Meet, all this जो भी technology है, वो technology do not wait for the last minute to go and open it. आधा एक घंटे पहले, एक दिन पहले आप वो टेक्नोलॉजी को ओपन करो, समझो, so that you are prepared. Second, you get devices like this. Okay, I will have to put on pin on the other side for you to see. Okay, you get devices like this. 1 minute. हुआ नहीं है. 1 minute. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So you get devices like this where you can see what's happening. Okay, one. Just a minute. So yes. Okay. So you will see this is the kind of a device which you will see. Okay. The kind of a device you have. ये मिलता है आपको एक headphone या फिर speaker with speaker, or even if you have a speaker at home, it's okay. आपको लगा के रखना है क्योंकि you are not able to see, hear properly and speak properly. Now, when I speak, you can hear me right because I have a good device. हमने ये device भी लिया है for the videos. Okay, so this helps in making videos. So the second thing is you may have a right profile, but अगर आपका presentation बराबर नहीं है, then you will miss the bus. And the digital presentation, I'm not talking about yourself. मैंने आपके बारे में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. आपके ऊपर तो मैं आऊँगा. जो आप दिखाना चाहते हो, यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है, देखिए, if you see here, you can see all the clutter behind me. You can see the bag, you can see the bottle, all this clutter is there behind. And this will take away जो पीछे मेरे मूवमेंट चल रहा है. इससे क्या होता है, लोग लोगों को पीछे का दिखता है एंड देन द फोकस मेरे में से निकल जाता है। एंड टू हैव अ फोकस ऑन यू, यू शुड हैव अ वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड जैसे मैं नाउ विल कम टू now we'll come to video. So now the next thing is presentation. Okay, what is a presentation? Presentation means what you wear, जैसे मैंने tie बताया था. Okay, second thing is when you are going for interview, next thing what you have to be careful about is arm के नीचे. Okay, यहाँ पे ना normally people sweat. It is possible. It is natural because गर्मी अगर है तो you sweat. So see to it that आपको वो सेट नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, थोड़ा सा पहले जाओ, फैन के नीचे खड़ा रहो और ऐसे करके स्वेट यहाँ का और यहाँ का स्वेट निकाल दो. नो वांट टू हायर. ओके, और कुछ नहीं, नथिंग नो. बट इफ यू थिंक यू स्वेट देन आप स्वेट अगर देखे तो यू हैव टू बी लिटिल केयरफुल. थर्ड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके, जैसे मैं बताया था आपका प्रेजेंटेशन तो हो गया, आपने आपका बैकग्राउंड भी ठीक कर दिया है एंड प्रिज्यूम दैट दिस इज अ नो फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू. ओके, फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू यानी जो हम आदमी जो सामने बैठा, जैसे प्रतीक कुछ देर पहले हमारे सामने बैठा था और मैंने उसका इंटरव्यू लिया. ओके, नाउ आई विल शो यू अ सिंपल another way of interviewing wherein you may go wrong. We have another candidate here. We're going to ask her to be here. But for that, I need to push you back on the on the video there. Okay. So now you can see from here. So yes, I'm going to call our next candidate here for interview. Okay. Again, the door is going to be closed. Reason I'm closing the door is normally interview जो होता है उसमें door closed होता है. Okay, हमेशा. And you will have 2 or 3 people here. Yes, come in. She knocked 3 times. Okay, she knocked, but you don't open the door and knock. First knock 3 times and then push the door open. Can I come in? What thing is you need to say is, may I come in or can I come in? It's a permission you are asking. Please remember this. Okay? May I come in or can I come in? Okay. May and can may, you can use either. The word is may I come in, that is a permission. Can I come in? Come in is also a permission. But in can, you're saying, can I come in? But in may, option is there. Okay, और may में हमेशा ऑप्शन रहता है, इतना याद रखो. May means may or may not. Can be, cannot be, not be होगा. So may is better. Please come, have a seat. Okay, so we have Miss.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. She has given me for the greetings of the day, and that is most important. The greetings of the day is good afternoon. So she has greeted me greetings of the day, which is good. First important that you start interview with a smile on your face. Okay, always remember she has a mask because she's come for interview. It's okay in present circumstances you need to keep your mask. Many places we have hand wash or sanitizer, use it and then enter the premises. Okay, what's your name?
Rajesh.
So that's Prarambhi Rajesh Moite. Can I have your biodata? So this is the biodata of Prarambhi. So she is again brought it in a folder. Try to replace it. So today I have not said, I just wanted them to be here because I want them to be doing mistakes. Unless if I had trained them, then they will not commit mistakes and will not improve. So next time, as I said, you have to put this in a folder and present it. Photo is there, which is good, and the biodata is not more than 2 pages. Remember, this 1 page is the biodata, and they have also 1 page of the biodata and the Aadhaar card and PAN card. That's fine, no problem. Again, a fresher biodata, so no problem, no, but details are given here. So, how did you come here, Prarambhi? आप कैसे आए यहाँ पे?
बस से ट्रेन से लेकर यहाँ बस से ट्रैवल करते हैं।
So she has come all the way from Pain in bus. So क्या हो जाता है? The first question is icebreaker. जैसे मैंने बताया था, first question icebreaker. Icebreaker यानी आपको इनको दूर से आए तो I have to make her comfortable here. So yes, I made her comfortable, made her sit down, and then first question which I asked is, how did you come here? Okay, that's the icebreaker. Next question normally is, so tell me about yourself.
So my name is Prarambhi Rajesh Modi. I live in Pain, Alibag. I I live in Pain, Alibag. I doing 1 year diploma in hotel management from RAPS Metro Institute of Culinary Arts.
Very good. Okay, this question, now the next question is most important. Okay, tell me about yourself. Be prepared. Okay, be prepared. In fact, she has done very well, and उसने 3 sentences में my name, where I come from, and what I am doing, ये बताया. I want you to be people think जब मैं देखता हूँ, my name is राजेश रस्तोरे, मैं बैंगलोर से आया हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू के लिए आया हूँ. बस एकदम फास्ट डिलीवरी दे देते हैं, बट उन्होंने she spoken right, slowly, steadily. Take आराम से, don't be nervous. Take आराम से, speak. And speak and take your breath as well. Slowly. Tense stuff. Most of you will be going for hotels or hotels में आप जब जाओगे तो वहाँ पे 2 या 3 आदमी सामने बैठे रहते हैं पैनल में. जैसे यहाँ पे मैं अगर 2 या 3 आदमी को बुलाऊंगा ना, see, Rahul is here. I'm going to call Rahul, who will be the panel. Now Rahul is going to sit here and he is going to do the interview along with Prarambhi. Rahul, come in. Chef Rahul is here. He is going to do the interview along. Good afternoon, everybody. So Rahul, please do the interview along with. And I am also sitting. I am also listening. The 2-3 questions I wanted to ask her. First is,
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Prarambhi. Tell me something about you first.
So my name is Prarambhi Rajesh Modi. I live in Pain, Alibag. I'm doing 1 year diploma in hotel management from RAPS Metro Institute of Culinary Arts.
good. So far it was good. यहाँ पे ना you have to this question you should be prepared. ये तो सबको पूछा जाएगा. Okay. First is icebreaker. Second is the actual question about yourself. Third question is the most important question. Okay. जिस position के लिए आपने apply किया है, उसका आपको experience है या are you interested? So in case she is applied for a reception position and Rahul is interviewing her for a position of a reception. So no, to Prarambhi will be what experience you have in front of us. Please.
Prarambhi, tell me what experience do you have in front of this department? Do you are fresher?
Yes.
Okay. Prarambhi has done one mistake here. I don't know, sir. I don't have. So Prarambhi, what your आपको बताना है is, sir, I'm afraid I'm a fresher. I do not have experience, but I'm willing. देखिए कभी भी in an interview, 1 word or 2 word answers are absolutely no. Remember this. Yes or no. Answer is not good. Okay. So you have to define the questions. Okay. how the questions are to find. Like now, Prarambhi will try again. Okay.
Activities would you like after
Again,
your
same
shift?
question.
Okay. Tanvi, what are your area of interest?
So my interest in kitchen.
Do you have any experience in kitchen?
I'm fresher, but I
But I'm
Okay,
willing
very
to learn.
willing to
I'm
learn.
willing to
See,
be
what
willing
she
to.
said is very good. Well done. What Prarambhi has said is, I'm a fresher, but I'm willing to learn. And more importantly, you can add Prarambhi is, no, if I'm a fast learner. जब तुम बोलते हो
Yes.
आई एम अ फास्ट लर्नर, आप मुझे बताओगे तो नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं बिना आपके बताए वो काम कर सकती हूँ. आई एम अ फास्ट लर्नर. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज you are taking a buy-in of the next person. Who is the buy-in? This person is the buy-in. Rahul is the buy-in. यानी उसको वो बोल रही है कि आप मुझे सिखाओगे तो मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम बराबर करूँगी. So these are the questions which are supposed to be answered. Thank you, Prarambhi. You can wait.
There.
Okay.
बाहर जा रहा.
Okay,
Bharat
now
Jai.
we will have same round of interview along with Rahul. Rahul is the interviewer and I am a candidate room. Okay. And I will come and I'll be doing interview. This is along with me and I'll come for interview. So please, this is not a correct interview format, so don't worry that. So you have to ask me 3-4 questions.
It's coming.
Yeah, coming, sir.
Yes, it's coming.
Interview, sir.
Have a seat, Mr. Rajesh.
Please remember what I did was I interviewed, I knocked twice and I pushed the door, which is wrong. Then what I did wrong was I thought it is not wrong. People are aware that you come for interview. Okay.
Mr. Rajesh, tell me something about you.
Yes. Rajesh Doctor interview.
Okay. What position do you are applying for?
Any.
What did you have today in breakfast?
No breakfast. Tea.
Do you have any experience in the position you are applying for?
No.
You can answer.
Will you hire a person? Okay, now I have answered 4 or 5 questions. Yes, no, and in short.
Yes.
Will you hire a person like this?
No.
Even if you're desperate.
No. I won't hire a person. Like you have to answer in 1 or 2 sentences.
So now what I will do is I'll do a better and I'll be a better interviewer. I have to.
Come. Yes.
Remember, the set is the chair is there for you to sit. We are aware of that, but always ask for permission. Thank you, sir. This is my biodata. Remember, always when you sit, your hands should be here and you should look at the person interviewing you directly. Back, don't hunch. Some people sit in the like this. Sit straight with your chest out and full confidence. Look at the person in his eyes.
Good afternoon, Mr. Rajesh. Tell me
Good
something about you.
Good afternoon. My name is Rajesh. I've come from Bandra for interview. I understand you are looking for an industrial training position in kitchen. I've done 1 year diploma from hotel management from RAPS Metro, and I'm very much interested in this position. Okay, here what he wants to know. Okay, what position I've applied for. So I've given 2 या 3 sentences में मैंने बताया. Lot of people for the same question, what they do is ask me the same question.
Tell me something about you, Mr. Rajesh.
Good morning. My name is Rajesh Ramesh Daktore. I was born in 1980. Today I am 30 years old. I have one father, one mother, and no 2 sisters. I stay in Bandra. Do you think this is the right answer? Rahul?
No, sir.
This is not the right answer. Okay, please remember, do not give yourself about your family, where you come from, this is the wrong answer. I'm doing right and wrong so that आपको पता चले. Do not tell about your family unless it's asked for. Okay, here you are sitting, आप interview में दे रहे हैं, आपका interview है, so you need to just give about yourself and the position which you have applied. First case, what I said is, मेरा age इतना है और I understand you have this position and applying for that position. So the person also reaffirms, okay, he's come for kitchen. Okay. So yes, sir. Good. So we'll do the next question. Okay. The next question, what Rahul is going to ask me is, what experience you have for the position?
Mr. Rajesh, what experience do you have for position?
I'm a fresher, sir. So I do not have experience, but I have. Now I'm not looking at him. I'm looking at him. So I'm fresher, sir. I am no experience in the position, but I am very much interested in kitchen. I was always interested in kitchen. I want to make a career in kitchen. I will be glad if you will. I'll be very happy if you can offer me the position of industrial trainee. I will be doing my best, and I'm sure you will be happy to hire me once you see my work. So here, in short, I have to, why he should hire me. Okay, hire ने मुझे जॉब क्यों देना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये पोजीशन भले मैं फ्रेशर हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ पे मैंने 3 चीज बताया था. आई एम विलिंग टू लर्न. सेकंड मैंने क्या बताया, मेरा स्ट्रेंथ. मेरा स्ट्रेंथ बताया है. मेरा स्ट्रेंथ यानी कौन सा है कि मैं सीखने को तैयार हूँ, जल्दी सीखता हूँ. और he will be very happy to hire me. यानी see, always remember, ये मैंने buy-in लिया है. Buy-in यानी जो सामने वाला बंदा है उसने सही डिसीजन लिया by hiring me. ये उसको कब पता, ये उसको मैं बता रहा हूँ कि if you hire me, you will be in a better position. आप बोल सकते हैं. तो कल परसों जाके इसका मेरा, if I am working in a department and that department head and tells Rahul, hey, this guy is brilliant, credit, but he also get the credit. So ये buy-in होता है. What's the time? Okay, ना? So this is the buy-in. This is the right kind of interview which you have to do. Chef Rahul and we are here. In fact, RAPS Metro Institute. No, we have been training. Thank you very much, Chef, for coming here, for giving me the insight for interview to you. When you finish, one thing I will tell you now. Once you finish the interview, okay, do not ask, am I selected or not? Much, okay, and leave the place. The chair जैसा था ना, वो वैसे ही रखना है आपको. As soon as you finish, you go back. Leave the chair as it is, so that the next person who comes in sits. This is very important. ये आप जब जाते हो, और निकल जाते, या फिर thank you very much बोल के door close करना है. जैसे जैसा आने के पहले था जगह छोड़ के जाना है. Chair has to be back in place. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
So now, what I have done, is I have given you in brief how a right interview has to be done. There are few basics of interviews. The place, no matter what you know, your attitude जो आपको जो आता है, इससे आपको जॉब मिलेगा. So आपको ये 4-5 चीज करनी है. यानी क्या? एक तो अच्छा बायोडाटा विद गुड प्रॉपर जो आपको. सेकेंडली कीप प्रिपेयर. अगर आपको द प्लेस वेयर यू गोइंग फॉर इंटरव्यू उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा पढ़ लो. वो जगह क्या है, वो कंपनी किस में डील करती है. दैट विल एड वैल्यू फॉर यू व्हेन यू गो फॉर इंटरव्यू. ओके. जिस जगह पे आप जाते हो अप्लाई करने के लिए, उसका थोड़ा सा इंफॉर्मेशन आपको आएगा. इट विल हेल्प यू. ओके. So this was before of free demo lectures or classes for hotel management which we are doing for all the public. This is also getting loaded on Facebook, YouTube, and link you to watch. We at RAPS Metro Institute of Culinary Arts have hotel management 1-year program after 12th and degree. We also have culinary programs, 1-year program after 12th and degree. Also, we have 3 months courses, short-term courses. Presently, अभी हमारा hotel management का no admission चालू है. We also are in premises of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of, which is providing you 3-year of hotel management degree from Mumbai University, the most prestigious university of India, which is Mumbai University. We are providing you a degree from that for 3 years. Okay. So this was a demo lecture for you to know. Thanks to all my students who have come here. And besides that, there are some people who wish to take this to take admission and to know what is hotel management. So basically, hotel management is giving you information about the hotel. Today was a free demo lecture for you to know what was hotel management. Appreciate you coming. Thank you very much for coming. Sessions are shorter for the demo lectures, so we have kept it only 1 hour window. Thank you very much for coming. Appreciate everything. Bye. I'm going to end the session. Have a good day and do the best. Take care.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.